Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our team will present about our new application which is EduShare. So for our team members, we have Dr. Mudiana as our supervisor, Muhammad Aiman, Muhammad Danish Fadilah as our leader, Nur Syafiqah, Muhammad Danish Adri, Puan Ifah Syakirin and Clara Christopher. So for our introduction, our application is more focused on school students, which is secondary school students that have difficulties for quality education, such as they have problem about financial barriers, limited learning resources, and lack of academic guidance. As we know, learning platform right now requires subscription fees and need stable internet access. So because of that, we create EduShare to provide them a free learning platform. And our highlight is to accessible digital data, education solution, and equal learning opportunities for all students.
As for problem statement, many secondary school students, especially in rural and low-income communities, faces limited access to quality education. The key challenges included limited school resources, lack of academic support, high tuition fees, unreliable internet access, and there is no centralized platform for notes, study materials, tutoring, and scholarship information. This results in unequal learning opportunities and insufficient academic guidance.
Okay, next I will explain the objective of our project. So the first objective is to design an application that provides syllabus-based notes, quizzes and revision material, is allowing students to study in a more structured and accessible way. The second objective is the app's aim to integrate a volunteer tutoring feature that offer personalized academic guidance, helping students better understanding difficult topic and improve their learning outcome. Okay, another objective is to include information on scholarship and education pathway to support students in planning their future academic journey. In addition, this project seeks to evaluate the user experience, usability and overall effectiveness of the platform in supporting learning. So finally, we aim to identify potential challenges and propose improvement to enhance the adoption and impact of educational technology.
Our project methodology, we followed a structured process consisting of 4 main phases. We begin with the identification phase, where we identify the problem and define the objective of the project. Next is the design phase, where we design the system, structure and overall workflow. After that, the development phase focuses on building the system and implementing the required features based on the design. Finally, the prototyping phase was carried out to produce a working prototype and test the system functionality. Moving on to the innovation highlight, our project is called EduShare. EduShare is a free, community-driven digital learning platform that centralizes learning materials, tutoring, and scholarship information in one place. It connects students with volunteer educators, helping to remove financial barriers to education. Overall, EduShare supports UN Sustainable Development Goal SDG 4, which focuses on quality education.
Moving on, EduShare is not only socially meaningful but also commercially sustainable. By introducing certification program, educational advertising, and strategic partnership with edtech company, EduShare creates reliable revenue stream that support long-term growth. What makes EduShare truly powerful is that, despite this commercial potential, its core learning features remain completely free, which ensuring accessibility is never compromised. In conclusion, EduShare stands as a community-driven platform that actively reduces educational inequality by uniting free learning resources, volunteer tutoring, and scholarship information in one user-friendly system. By removing financial barrier and prioritizing scalability and usability, EduShare delivers a sustainable, high-impact solution that empowers undeserved students and strongly aligned with Sustainable Development Goal for quality education.
This is our prototype user interface for EduShare mobile application. First, users start at the login and sign up page where they can securely access their account or register as a new user with a simple and clean layout. After logging in, users are taken to the homepage which displays quick access to subject, progress, summaries, and recommended learning materials. A hamburger menu allows easy navigation to profile, quizzes, certificate, and logout. In the profile section, users can view their personal information and track learning progress through visual charts. For assessment, the quiz flow guide users step by step from selecting a subject and subtopic, answering questions, to viewing result instantly. Once completed, user receive a score and pass status. If they pass, a certificate of achievement can be downloaded directly from the app. Lastly, learning material section let users choose subject, chapters, and detailed note, making learning structured and accessible. At the top, we have students and educators who access the platform through a mobile application on Android and iOS. The mobile app communicates with the backend using a REST API. To ensure usability without constant internet access, the app includes an offline cache which stores quizzes, videos, and PDFs securely on the device. All requests from the app passes through a secure API layer using HTTPS with JWT or OAuth authentication, ensuring data privacy and access control. Behind this layer are the application servers which handle the core business logic such as learning materials, quizzes, certificates, notification, and user management. Data is stored and processed in the database server, which responds to SQL servers from the application servers. The system also integrates push notification service using Firebase or Apple Push Notification Service to send alerts, reminders, and updates to users in real time. Overall, this architecture is designed to be secure, scalable, and reliable, supporting both online and offline learning experience.